In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix RoShade not working in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, you have to close it first and then click on this search and search for Roblox player. Here it is. Right-click on that and open its file location from here. After opening it again, right-click on that and open file location again. You will be on this Roblox player beta. Right-click on that and open its properties. This is the method one. From here, you will be on this general. You have to open this compatibility and click on this. Run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 7 from here and select run this program as an administrator. And you can also run this compatibility troubleshooter. It will start detecting issues, and then you can select here, try recommended settings, and now you can test the program and you can see it start working. After doing it, click next. Yes, save the settings for this program. Now close it. Now you can see it start working. So this is how you can fix RoShade if it's not working. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.